Okay, good morning class. Once again, we are now on our hydraulics continuation. So we'll try to solve number 2. The kinematic viscosity of unit 1 foot square per second is equal to how many stocks? So meaning to say you are converting only from English to SI in CGS system. So stocks. Remember that stock is actually centimeter square per second. So from that formula, from that given kinematic viscosity, nu is equal to 1 foot each square per second. So what we will do is just convert, no? Okay, so centimeter 3.28 square feet square, meter square, okay? So cancel ang feet square, ang lalabas dito ay meter. So meter square to 100 centimeter squared. Diba? So you will have centimeter squared here. Okay? So cancel na yan din. Isa lang i-multiply. Centimeter square is also cancelled due to the, not centimeter square. It should be 100 centimeter squared yan. Okay? This one squared cancelled. So what will happen now, ang nu is equal to kinematic viscosity of, ang labas dito ay 929.506 centimeter square per second. So this is actually equal to stocks. Okay? So that is the required. So number 2. So balikan natin the properties of liquid, general properties that includes weight, density, unit weight, kinematic viscosity, viscous, or kinematic viscosity with dynamic viscosity. So alam na natin ang relationship, okay? So if you go back to the formula, so weight is equals to mg, ang unit weight W is equal to weight over volume. Ang mass density ay mass over volume. Ang kinematic mu is Ft over area. Or your kinematic nu is equal to yung nu. Nu is equal to mu over rho. Okay, that is the formula from your kinematic, viscosity, dynamic, unit, and all the parts of the water or liquids. So we'll try to continue with the formula na power. So we'll have here power. So power formula, you will have power. From physics, ano bang power is work over time. So sa physics, anong work? Work is actually, work is force times time. Distance, no? Work. This will be your work. This will be your force. This will be your distance. Okay? So, when you work, okay, when power is equal to work over time, and work is equals to force times distance all over time. Pwede yan maging power is equal to force. Anong distance over time is? Velocity. This one is velocity. And this one is force. And power. Okay. So for power, you have unit 1 HP is equal to 550 foot-pounds per second, or equal to 746 watts. Okay? So unit now, for example, you have now example for power. Example, So, unit example. Number 1, page, determine the theoretical power available when the flow of 311 CFS and the total head equal to 12 feet. Okay? So find the power of having a theoretical power available when the flow is 311 and head is 12 feet. So the formula for other formula, this one is taken from physics, the other formula from hydraulics or fluid mechanics, Q, W, H. Your Q is discharge. Ano bang discharge? Volume over time. Okay? Yung unit weight is sa liquid. So, ano ang tubig pa niyan? So, 62. English pa niyan. Per standard yan sa tubig, unit weight. And then we have the head. The height that due to the power increases, no? The height that it will reach 12 feet. So, i-substitute lang natin yan. So, power now will be equal to Q CFS, cubic feet per second. 300 cubic feet per second multiplied by unit weight of water, 62.4 pounds cubic feet, okay, times the head of 12 feet, okay. So cancel ang cubic feet. What is left is the power will be what? Foot-pounds per second. Okay, foot-pounds per second. Ang lalabas sa foot-pounds per second. When you multiply this one, it will have what? 232. 876.8 foot-pounds per second. But if you want to get the value in terms of horsepower, pwede mo yan i-convert. Tignan mo dyan. So, 550 foot-pounds per second. So, cancel na yan. Is equivalent to 1 HP. So, power now will only be 423.41 HP horsepower. Okay? So, we end up with the subject sa chapter 1. Properties of liquids, including solids, and all the formula from weight to viscosity to kinematic viscosity. Kinematic is nu, dynamic is mu, or viscosity is mu. So you have that. All you have to do is you solve all the problems that is given in the chapter 1 to 12. Meron naman ang 1 and 2. So ang remaining dyan we have to solve. Okay? That is for, okay?